Hello everybody to lesson 13 of HTML5 Deep Understanding course. In this lesson we will study CSS with HTML. So we will know the relation between CSS and HTML. Here we have, firstly, what do we mean with CSS? CSS means or stands for Cascade Style Sheets. Means the styles that we added for the HTML. So the CSS works like the decoration that we added to the HTML tags. We have three relations or three types using of CSS in HTML. We have the inline, the external, internal, and the external. How could we use them? We will start with the inline. First of all, we will add a paragraph. I will call this paragraph, for example, with H1. I will call it with inline. I will say this is inline CSS. And we will add here an inline style, which would be style, which is normal style, color red. The other one would be, this is the first one. We will save it and go to see what we have. This is inline. This is okay. First of all, we will start with the inline type. We'll see this is H1, for example. You will see here this is inline tag or inline CSS. I will add the style of this inline. I will say style color red. Okay, save it and reload the page. This is inline CSS. The other one would be the internal. I will say H2. I will say this is internal CSS. And to write the code or the style for the internal, you should define a tag called style in the header. Style tag and the closing tag in the head section. Here we will add H2 and we will add it like that. For that H2, I mean this H2 header, we'll add the color to blue. Okay, so let's save it and refresh the website. It's work. The third one, which is last, we will have something called H3. I will add here, this is external CSS. External means in another file, not in this file. So we will have create another file, which we call it CSS file. Okay, let's delete this one. I will create here a file called CSS file. I'll create here file new style sheet. I'll see external, or any file, any name. I mean any name you could call it external, and save it. Here we could add, for example, what type of tag we have here. We have H3. So I will see here for the H3 tag, change the color to green. Save it. And we should notice for something here in the external, we should have another thing, which is the link. How is the relation between that file and this file? We have a link tag, which should be written. The href means the destination, and the rel means the relation of that file. So we have in the href, we will print the file name, which is external, or file path. Okay, even if it's in any path, we will know the path is liter. The relation of the file is what? Style sheet. So let's save it and see what we have here. It has been changed to green. So that was the styles of, or using the styles of CSS and HTML. You have three types, whether inline or internal or external, as we have defined them. This is the inline. The internal, we define the style tags inside the file, and the external, we create a file outside and we define the codes inside it, and then we should link that file. If we should link that file with the HTML file. If this code is not existed, it will not work. For example, we delete it fresh, it's normal, but if we return back and see that it's green, means it works. So it's enough for this lesson, and see you in the next. Bye.